Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevor Joseph. Today you join me on my way to Hayes to Car Audio and Security. They've organised a lunchtime Porsche / German car meet, and we're going to head down and check out some cars. The only thing is though, I'm actually running late, so I don't know if there's going to be any cars there. It finishes at 2 and it's now 1:45. So yeah, bad timing by my part. But in all fairness, this was a bit of a spontaneous event. I just saw this on Facebook and thought I would go along. So yeah, let's hopefully there are some cars there, and we can catch some cars and catch some people, but I don't really know. We'll see when we get there. I'll see you there. Peace. Just reached Car Audio and Security to their afternoon lunch, and I came too late. I literally got the times mixed up, and I've just got here, and yeah, everyone's gone, man. So I think I'm just gonna take a little walk around and see what we got, and yeah, head home. But let's take a look inside, because they've got some really cool audio and car accessories for every car. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and have a look. I can't believe I just got here and I missed it. Got it. So if you want suspension, BC Racing coilovers, we've got some KWs here. Check these out. Bilsteins, this is what I'm running on the 911. But I would love a set of air rides. Let's take a look at their wheel selection. There's a set of rotary forms I've been gagging for, man. Which ones are they? They don't have them here. There's a 997 C2S running around on these 20-inch rotary forms, which I love. But they don't have. But these are nice. Yeah, these are sick. Oh, hold on. There's a couple more. Oh my days. Yeah. It's all about these ones. Are these split rims? Are they one piece or two? I think they are one piece. Looks nice though. Silver polished lip. Yeah. I want to see if I can find the owner, because it'd be nice to come down here and do like a full feature. I saw him back there. Okay. All right, let's take a little walk outside. But yeah, this place is amazing, man. All right, let's see if I can find him. Oh, this is nice. Oh, let's take a look inside. Can we get inside? Excuse me. Sorry. I should know your name because you're famous on YouTube.
No, I'm not.
But I can't remember. Pam.
Yeah.
Right. I've seen a couple of your videos,
okay,
and I've been wanting to come down here for ages.
Okay.
I realised you guys were doing this lunchtime thing.
Okay.
Got the times completely mixed up.
Okay.
And I just arrived, and it looks like it's all finished.
Oh.
But I was wondering if you had a couple minutes, I could just ask you a couple of questions about what you guys do here.
Yeah, cool. Have you got someone waiting for me?
Sure.
You do some filming. I'll come.
All right, nice. Sweet. I'm just gonna get the rest of my gear and try and get some nice cinematics of the cars that are left, maybe some of the cars that are inside, and yeah, some of inside their shop. But yeah, I'm gutted. I got here late. I can't believe it, man. Dumb sat nav, stupid traffic, and myself as well. I can't really blame anyone apart from myself. Anyway, let's get the gear out. Right, so today I made my way down to Car Audio and Security for their lunchtime German meet.
Yeah.
And I got here late, and all the cars have left.
Well, you missed most of the fun, to be honest with you. It was ram-packed out. You couldn't get another car in the car park. It was ram-packed. I think we had about 60, 70 cars here today.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so you missed all the good stuff, man.
Oh man, is this a monthly or is this was this a one-off?
During the summer months, we do one every month. But over the winter months, so we're going to have one more next month, which will be the last one of the season, and that's going to be a BMW M-Power meet. So
Right.
anything that's got an M-Power engine in it, so it'll be your M3s, M4s, M2s, all that sort of stuff, yeah.
Nice, nice. So
and that's normally
I better
ram-packed.
turn up with an M car
Eh?
then, right?
Well, or you could just turn up and do what you do best, which is filming. Oh yeah, good luck for your YouTube channel, by the way.
Thank you,
I've
thank you,
I've taken a look at some of the videos, and they're looking real good, man.
Cheers, thank you,
Nice piece
thank
of kit
you.
you got there as well.
Yeah, it broke the bank. Don't
Yeah.
tell the missus.
Listen, guys, if you've come across this video and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because I can see some really good stuff coming out of here. So
Thank you,
yeah,
Tom.
make
Thank
sure you
you.
guys subscribe.
So tell me a bit about Car Audio Security. What do you guys do here? You have a YouTube channel,
Yeah.
and it's your YouTube channel where I discovered you, and I discovered this, and I discovered
Awesome.
most of your cars. And then I saw the ad for this event, so I'm here. But I'd like to know more about yourself and what you guys do here.
Okay, well, I'm Palm. We have a YouTube channel called Cast TV. Our business is Car Audio and Security. What we do actually says it in the name of the business. We do a lot of car audio and vehicle security as well. And over the last few years, we've kind of broadened our horizons. We're massive on air suspension. Airlift is our number one air suspension brand. But we do a whole load of other stuff. We do exhausts, we do intake systems. Basically, we do anything that's bolt-on modification for your car, you can get that from us.
Nice. So I've seen that you guys have a collection of cars here.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite? What's the car that if you came in here to drive and you have to pick from the pool of keys,
Yeah.
which one would you go to?
I'm going to be pretty biased, but it's going to be my E30 E30 that's got a E36 M3 engine in it. So it's a 3 litre straight six, around about 300 brake. It's real nice to drive. It's also got an LTO wide body kit on it, so massive road presence.
Yeah, I was
this
gonna
is
say.
real fun to drive. Yeah, so if you're talking about a Sunday blast,
Yeah.
I'm going to take that. If you're talking about my everyday drive, I'm going to go with my G80 M3.
So
Nice and easy. Get in it, start the engine, and drive.
I'd like to know your car journey because you've amassed all these cars and they're amazing. But where did it all begin? Like, what was your first car and how did you progress to what you have now?
Well, my first car was a 1.3 Ford Escort. It was an X-Reg, so I think that's what 1980, 1979, 1980, something like that. Yeah, it was a 1.3. I was 17 years old, but just generally, I've just grown up around cars. And
Did you do any mods to it?
oh yeah, I stripped the engine down with my uncle, and we bored it out to a 1.6, put new carburetors and stuff. So that's really where my car journey began, and I kind of discovered, you know what, I love pissing around with cars, and that's all I've been doing ever since. So, but yeah, so car audio is our bread and butter.
Yeah.
Then we do all the bolt-on modifications. We're kind of like a one-stop shop because let's face it, you can buy any car from at the factory. There's always ways to improve it, whether that's the security, whether that's the audio, the exhaust note, the power. There's always room for improvement, and you can come to us and we can make those improvements for you.
So do you have any projects that you're working on now? Because I mean, these look pretty much complete.
Yeah, we're constantly working on projects. I think the next big one for me is going to be, we've bought our Mercedes R129 SL. So that's the next big thing for me. That's going to be getting bagged. That's going to be getting a nice set of wheels on it. So yeah, keep an eye out for that as well.
And are you going to appear at any shows with any of these cars?
So every show that we do, we've got about 20 cars on our fleet. We can't always take all of them. So depending on what show it is, we'll take 5 or 6 cars at a time and just basically try and show off what we do, really.
Okay, so a car that's caught my eye is this Porsche next to us.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to let's pan over to it. So, and there's another, you have a Golf Mark II up on your stands up there.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'd love to know about first this car
Okay,
and your Golf.
this is a 964 C2 in Guards Red. We've only had it a couple of months now, but this is going to be having a kind of a semi-restoration. It's going to have a full respray. It's going to have some engine work done to it. We're going to actually build a fast road, what we would call a fast road car out of this.
Yeah.
Not a complete track animal, but it's going to be a fast road build. So yeah, also keep an eye on this as well. And as we know, 964s are pretty desirable at the moment. But yeah, so I mean, to start with, this is actually a good car. It's already got the Recaro buckets in there that the previous owner had. The back seats are also stripped out. So it's kind of a homologation of a Carrera RS. But we're not going to make it into an RS because it's not originally an RS, so we're not going to make it into something that it's not.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be a sympathetic, fast road build.
And finally, this lovely M3 that we have here.
Yeah.
I can see that it's on air rides. It's bagged, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I know that you guys do audio security.
Yeah.
You do suspension. So
Yeah,
for anyone who doesn't know about air rides,
yeah.
can you explain what they are and how they work?
In the most basic terms, just imagine your conventional suspension has a coil spring. Basically, remove that coil spring and replace it with an airbag, and then you need a control system to control the air to make the car go up and down, basically.
And in terms of comfort, how does it compare to your standard springs or
You can't
to
beat
coilovers?
it. You can't beat it. I've had coilovers on my cars, and you know, if you like to drive your cars low, no matter what coilovers you got, they're always going to be really harsh. And with the state of our roads these days, it doesn't quite cut it. That's where air suspension comes into it. It's a lot more comfortable. The convenience factors, you know, you come to a speed hump, you can quickly raise your car and get over it. And also the Airlift, which is the brand that we do, not only are they good for the road, but they're absolutely brilliant on track as well.
That was going to be my next question.
Yeah.
What's it like on track? I mean, what height would you have it at? And
You can have it at any height you want. Yeah.
guess so.
We've actually got an E46 M3 track car, which is running a full air setup, and that thing is amazing on the track. It's brilliant.
nice. Should we take a look at your other studio workshop? What would you call it? Shop?
Shop. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, well, I'll show you a little bit closer now. So normally you'd have in this gap here, in this space here, you'd have a coil spring, but obviously that's been replaced by an airbag. And that's how you get air suspension, really. That's one of the control systems as well. So from here you'll be able to control your heights and your driving style from here.
Cool. And so this is the compressor? Is this
So
what provides the air?
Yeah, so you have a compressor. You're going to need a tank as well.
Yeah.
So this will store air, ready for when you need to shoot up and down.
Right. Do you have a favourite? I mean, they're all nice. They're all like, I would love to have all of them, but I can only have 4 in my car. What's your favourite?
I actually quite like these. Do you know what? These are called the BUC M's. Nice kind of motorsport looking wheel. I quite like those, to be honest. I do like the matte anthracite grey as well. I like that colour.
The wheels that you had on the C2, the Rotiform wheels, what
Yeah,
were they called?
they were the Rotiform TUFRs they were.
Oh, amazing wheel.
Yeah.
I really like them because they remind me of like a centre lock Porsche GT3 RS style.
So yeah, they had this kind of centre lock on there, yeah.
Yeah.
Centre cap with a single nut on it. Yeah, that was a nice wheel. When I first bought that car, I knew what wheels I was going to use on it before I bought the actual car itself because I had a vision, and it paid off. So
Yeah, and the drop. I mean, I'm gonna insert a picture of the car into this. But you had it slammed like it's so tight.
do you know what? That particular car, I actually had to raise it
Really?
about 10 mil because it was getting out of hand.
Yeah,
it was just scraping everywhere.
How many front lips did you go through?
Luckily, I didn't go through any. I just kept patching that one up. No, it was a great car. You know what? The 997 absolute banger of a car.
Yeah.
Wicked,
yeah.
man. Really nice.
You know what is starting, for me, I think is making a resurgence? The 996. I'm starting to see a lot of 996s, and
Funnily enough, 2 or 3 people I spoke to today, and you know what? Everyone's on the same page. The 996s are now starting to lift up. Personally, I couldn't get past those front lights.
they're starting to look appealing though.
But
For
you know
some
what?
reason, I don't know.
I think the older they're getting, the better they're starting to look.
Yeah,
They're maturing nicely.
yeah, they are.
But yeah. So yeah, we do wheels, Momo steering wheels. I think that's the one I had in my 997. Really nice to drive with. That is really nice wheel. It's not too dishy. It's
Yeah.
really nice.
So, anything I need, car audio, suspension, wheels, home audio, this is the place to be, right?
That's it.
Mate, it's been amazing talking to you, Palm.
Truly humbled, Trevor. Thank you very much,
Thank
mate.
you so much.
And good luck with your up and coming YouTube channel. Again,
Thank you,
guys,
Tom.
if you stumbled across this video, make sure you subscribe, because I'm sure there's going to be a lot of great content coming from Trevor in the near future. But for now, I'm going to catch you lot later. I'll see you in a bit.
So that was Palm from a car audio and security. You know, it's crazy, man. I got here late, but I'm so glad in a way because I got a chance to speak to the owner and find out about his business. It's an amazing place. If you guys need anything for your car, like I said before, you know, car audio, wheels, suspension, like this is the place. Like it's your like one-stop shop, like he said, for everything for your beloved ride. Cool. So I'm gonna probably end this here, and I'll see you in the next video. But you know, if you like this content, just give it a like and share. Especially if you know someone that's looking to modify their car, share them this video. Maybe we could bring them some happiness by sending them down to Car Audio and Security. Anyway, from me, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.